I'll tell you what. Majorly, I wanted to cover two things in my life, whatever I have achieved so far. The first thing is my journey to discover my true calling, my passion. And the second thing is realizing how your business life is definitely going to be affected by personal life. I have faced many hardships. I'm sure a lot of people, most people have faced, hardships in their lives. But what makes us stronger and gives us courage is those hardships what we have faced. And these two are going to be the major learnings which I have learned, I have achieved, I've overcome, and my major talk is going to be related to somewhere there. Of course, I'll highlight my success stories also, wherein I'll speak about whatever small learnings I had at that point of time, and I'll share that with you. But now coming to the part that when I said that it's a 16 years journey, there was a time when I was totally lost. I didn't know what to do with my life. All I knew was that I want to make it big in my life. I somehow, I don't know, since my childhood, I always had a perception that I'm born to make something big. I don't know why and how, but I always felt that, and it kind of, I kind of pressurized myself at times that नहीं कुछ ना कुछ बड़ा तो करना ही है, mediocrity से तो काम नहीं चलेगा. So that is, and still till date whatever I have achieved वो मुझे enough कभी लगता ही नहीं है. I want to always go after more. So that works in my favor, of course. So I want to start with the part, my journey where I was lost, and before I finally founded Cakes and Chemistry and made into a strong concrete business. I had several other stints in my life which I want to just share in brief with you guys, just to make you aware that it's not like very easy ke bas right thing you get in life and you just do it. For me it has been a long journey. So